Hello everyone! Welcome back to a new video here in the Kitchen of 9, where we feel good. I'm Kristin, also known as DJMS9, where I share my knowledge from the fashion industry, where we stay fit, from the music industry, where we stay productive, and from all the traveling, where we explore. Today I want to share one of my favorite recipes with you. That one is, I think, the quickest one you can make when you're in a hurry or when you're a student on a low budget. This one is the best. It has nutrition, it's full of taste, and you only need one taste maker, and we can make 2 to 3 different variations with it. What is it? It's mango chutney. It's a dish with rice and pak soy, super easy to prepare. All we need is a good mango chutney. This is not, I'm not sponsored by any brand. I have made my research over the last 15 to 20 years to find a mango chutney, what tastes good without artificial tastes. And yeah, I ended up with this one. This one is from Holland. And if you want to know more about it, let me know. I will send a private message. Mango chutney, where does it come from? It comes from Southeast Asia. There was an overload on mangoes, and what do if there is too much food and you don't want to waste it? You preserve it, and that is how mango chutney came to life. There are many different versions of mango chutney. I tried a lot. I went to England to check out the mango chutney over there, to Asia, to Germany, in America, and I couldn't find one which tasted as good as this one. I like it simple and clean, and that one is Kitchen of 9 proof. So what else do we need for the mango chutney a la Kitchen of 9? I have a variation with tofu and a variation with chicken. Very simple, easy to prepare, and I'm going to show you some of the ingredients, and then we get right into the cooking process. Let's go. This is the tofu. I put the tofu on a towel so that the liquid water will go away, and it's easier to bake it, fry it, and yeah, basically work with the tofu. I fry it really quick in the pan. For the vegan, vegetarian variation. The tofu will be baked goldish brown. In the other pan I have olive oil, and add the chicken. You can add fresh chicken breast and slice it in small pieces. Add salt and a little bit of pepper. And while that is done, the tofu is also done with the rice. And here I have the clean pak soy cut in small pieces. What I will do, I add a little bit of oil, salt, and bake it till it's eatable. Well, the pak soy is almost ready. It's a little bit less than when I put it into the pan. And now let's talk about the mango chutney. The mango chutney is preserved. This is how it looks. And what I do, since the structure is kind of thick, I cooked water with the water cooker. And depending on how many people you have and how many dishes you will make, I will use the bowls to serve it in here. Now it's a thick structure, so what I will do, I will add just a little bit of hot water to make it a nice liquid sauce, sort of a sauce that you can mix it then later like this on top of the rest of the dish. I'll leave a little bit more because I love this taste maker. I like to eat clean, and the mango chutney is the only taste maker which pops from that dish. So, the mango chutney is ready. Now I will show you how I will serve it. So what I will do, right on the bottom of the bowl, and now we have two types of variation, the chicken and the tofu. So basically you will add some tofu, I'll do it all, I like tofu, and chicken, and the taste maker, the mango chutney, comes on top. And here we are. We have two different dishes, the vegan and the kip version. Very simple, fast. It's low in budget, and you can eat it at any time of the day. I have to try it both. And like we do in the music studio, we mix everything up, and this is what you should do as well with the mango chutney. This one is the tofu version. Let's try. And both of them are very clean. There's just a little bit of salt added to the tofu and the chicken. The rice is plain. The pak soy is plain as well, just with olive oil and a little bit of salt. And that's it. And now I'm gonna try the chicken. Yep, it brings me right back to actually South America, Asia. Try it out for yourself and let me know how it goes. Give the video a thumbs up and let me know what else you would like to see here. I'm back with a new recipe here on the channel. Make sure to subscribe and follow, and also check out the stories and what else is going on in the world of 9 on Instagram at DJMS9. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching. Stay healthy, and I'll talk soon. Bye!